Hi, baby. Why don't you come closer? Isaac, why don't you come closer? Yeah. Why don't you show everybody how you can come closer? Come on. Come on. Yeah, get over here, silly bean. Okay. Well, stay right where you are. I didn't notice how fantastic your outfit looked. Yes, Mommy dressed you all crazy today, huh? Yeah, it's okay. You're just home today, so it's okay. How about Buzz? Are you going to come closer, or are you just going to stand there? Hello. Hi. 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 Can Mama have a kiss? Can Mama have a kiss, baby? Isaac. No, baby doesn't want a camera. Isaac, can Mama have a kiss? No, you don't want the camera. Give Mama a kiss. Isaac, can Mama have a kiss? Can Mama have a kiss? I know what you need. I think you need Linus the Kissing Lion. There he is. Kissy, kissy. Kissy, kissy. Kiss, 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 kiss. I don't eat Linus the Lion. Careful. Kissy, kissy. Kissy, kissy. Kiss, 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 kiss. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Watch yourself. Kissy, 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 kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. You can't eat him. What about your kissy bear, baby? You can't. Don't let go. If you let go, you're going to fall down. Is that it? Is that it for the kiss? Oh no, what happened? There's panic. You cannot have the camera. If I give you the camera, it's just going to be shots of the inside of your mouth. No. Okay. Well, I'll see you later, alligator.